maliban sa tuyom ay meron pa tayong isang laman dagat na masarap din kainin. Babalian na siya ng mainit na tubig, lagyan ng kamatis, lagyan ng cucumber, lagyan ng bagoong, at tsak na masarap siyang kainin. Look at this. Hindi siya look at this seaweed. Masarap ito. Yan. Diba? Pwede na din itong kainin pwede din siya kainin ng hilaw. Kaya lang madulas. Yan. Masarap. Pero mas masarap ito bandian. Gawing salad. Dami. Family siya ng agar seaweeds. Yung ginagawang gelatin, family niya nito. Mga seaweeds na pwede natin kainin. Sarap nito, baldian lang ito, masarap na. So ayan, ito na yung seaweeds na nakuha natin kanina sa dagat habang tayo ay kumukuha ng sea urchin. So ito, nilagyan natin siya ng cucumber, nilagyan ko siya ng sibuyas, nilagyan ko siya ng kamatis, ayan, at powdered na paminta. So nilagyan din natin siya ng pampalasa na patis. So yun lang. Ay, may ano pa pala ito, nilagyan pa rin natin siya ng kaunting suka at kalamansi para magkaroon ng flavor. So guys, ito na naman ang ating masarap na ulam sa Polandia. Kaya hindi tayo magugutom sa Polandia dahil marami tayong resources na pwede nating kainin. So tara na guys, dito lang yan sa Polandia.
One of my learning on my head, I found a bunch of these in the Amazon closet and I was super cute and vintage. Did you know in the 20s they used to listen to music with these things? Yeah, isn't it cool? Oh, I'm listening to Doja Cat. You don't know who Doja Cat is? I hate this generation. I was born in the wrong generation. No one understands. Look at these two lights I got. They're like super different. Everyone in the 20s. It's not fair. I hate school. I have to learn to Google things and
What's this about $10 million? Our sergeant was $10 million. Wow, that's amazing. Us? I win something not really crazy. You want to get to celebrate? Oh, yeah. Go make me a drink. Don't make me a drink?